Doctor, is it true that daily lifestyle habits have a big impact on diabetes? I can't stop thinking about how my own habits might be affecting me.
It's natural to feel concerned. Today, let's discuss how lifestyle habits can worsen diabetes. Diabetes requires careful management because uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to various complications. Over time, these complications can affect the eyes, kidneys, and nerves. To prevent this, it's important to review and adjust your lifestyle.
Diabetes sounds like a really serious disease. I've heard about it, but I don't really know what makes it so dangerous.
That's a common feeling. Let me explain why managing diabetes is so crucial. Diabetes causes blood sugar levels to become difficult to control, and over time, this can quietly damage the body. For example, it can lead to diabetic retinopathy, which affects vision, diabetic nephropathy, which harms the kidneys, and diabetic neuropathy, which causes nerve damage. These complications often progress slowly and can be hard to notice at first. That's why reviewing and managing your daily habits is essential.
I didn't realize it could progress so quietly. It's scary to think it could worsen without me noticing. But if changing my habits can protect my future, I want to try.
Exactly. That's why it's so important to reflect on your lifestyle. Improving your habits can slow the progression of diabetes and reduce the risk of complications.
What kind of changes should I make?
Common factors include overeating carbohydrates, lack of exercise, stress, smoking, drinking, and irregular sleep patterns. Today, I'll focus on the top 5 lifestyle habits that can worsen diabetes.
5 habits? I might be doing all of them.
Don't worry, we'll go through them one by one. The first is eating too many carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates? I love white rice and bread. Are those a problem?
Yes, white rice and bread are high in refined carbohydrates, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Eating too much can make blood sugar harder to control. Switching to whole grains, like brown rice or whole grain bread, can help. These digest more slowly, keeping blood sugar stable and improving insulin function.
I see, so small changes can make a big difference. But giving up my favorite foods sounds tough.
It's not about giving them up entirely, but rather making adjustments. For instance, you can reduce the portion size of white rice and add more colorful vegetables to your plate. Eating vegetables first before carbs can also help prevent sudden blood sugar spikes.
That sounds manageable. What's the second habit?
The second is stress and lack of sleep. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels. Lack of sleep can also disrupt your body's ability to regulate blood sugar, making diabetes harder to manage. Improving these areas can stabilize blood sugar.
I often feel stressed from work, and I tend to sleep late.
That's a common issue. To improve sleep, try avoiding screens before bed and create a relaxing nighttime routine. Activities like light stretching or taking a warm bath can help. Finding time for hobbies or relaxation during the day can also reduce stress and benefit your overall health.
I'll try to make small changes.
That's a great start. The third habit is lack of exercise. Exercise lowers blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. You don't need intense workouts, even 20 minutes of walking daily can be effective. Post-meal walks are especially helpful for managing blood sugar spikes.
Walking sounds doable.
Incorporating small activities like using stairs instead of elevators or walking an extra bus stop can make a big difference. Light resistance exercises can also improve insulin sensitivity and overall health.
I'll start adding those into my routine. What's the fourth habit?
The fourth is alcohol and smoking. Alcohol can cause sudden blood sugar fluctuations and strain the liver. Smoking constricts blood vessels, reducing blood flow and hindering insulin function. Gradually cutting back on both is important.
I'll need to work on that. Quitting all at once sounds hard.
That's okay. Set achievable goals, like limiting drinking to weekends or reducing the number of cigarettes gradually. These changes can improve blood vessel health and reduce diabetes-related risks.
I'll take it step by step. What's the fifth habit?
The fifth is irregular routines. Irregular eating and sleeping patterns disrupt blood sugar control. Eating late at night, for instance, can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Aim to eat meals at regular times and maintain a consistent sleep schedule.
I often stay up late. I didn't realize how much that could affect me.
It's a common habit, but addressing it can make a big difference. Regularity in meals and sleep stabilizes blood sugar and improves overall health.
Thank you for breaking it down. I feel like I can start making changes.
That's fantastic. To summarize, the 5 habits to improve are reducing excess carbs, managing stress and sleep, addressing inactivity, cutting back on alcohol and smoking, and maintaining regular routines. Small steps in these areas can lead to better diabetes management and a healthier future.
I'll start working on these one at a time. Thank you so much for your advice.
You're very welcome. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. For more health tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.